and I'm going to show you how I would finish this off with the crayons and stencils. Let's take a look. One of the things I think about when I look at a page like this is integration. I want to integrate, you know, I love the blue and orange components, but I would like them to play together in a little bit of a better way. I'm going to take some of these crayons and I'm going to just take them across the piece, and I'm going to do a little bit of integration. Okay? You're probably freaking out right now, but just wait, it'll be fine, trust me. These are the gelatos, and these are actually pretty transparent. I'm going to use them with white gesso. They are water activated, so you could just use them with water. I've got a brush here and paper towel, and my brush is damp, but I'm going to use them with a little bit of white gesso. And as you go around, see how they're kind of activated into paint? Love that. Love it. And here's the other thing. Then you can take a towel or a rag and you can kind of pull it out. So it's just a little bit of sheerness on top of there. It doesn't dominate necessarily, but it's there. And it's going to eventually help us integrate this. All right. You can dampen this. Move it around with a little bit of water. For me, this part it's taken a little too much of my space. So I'm going to knock it back with a little bit of gesso and then activate these with water. Okay. Do you see the integration going on here? We're pulling some of the yellows and some of the oranges in, I would say, a subtle way. Or for me, it's subtle, but then maybe you're more girl, so maybe I'm not the one to ask.